Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Farmer Today TV. Here on this sprawling farm, the symphony of clucks fills the air as hundreds of thousands of chickens thrive under the careful stewardship of dedicated farmers. From the moment the chicks arrive, their journey to becoming healthy, robust birds begins. A new batch of chicks arrives at the farm, transported with utmost care from specialized hatcheries. These tiny, chirping bundles of fluff mark the beginning of a cycle of growth and care that will sustain the farm for generations to come. Gently cradled in the hands of the farm staff, they are welcomed into the warmth and safety of the barn, where their journey to adulthood will unfold. Inside the barn, a sophisticated system ensures the security and comfort of the chickens. From temperature control mechanisms to automated feeding systems, every aspect of the barn is designed with the well-being of the flock in mind. The co-op keeper, a diligent guardian of the feathered residents, oversees the operation of this system, ensuring that it runs smoothly and efficiently at all times. Each day, the co-op keeper embarks on a meticulous inspection of every corner of the barn, checking for any signs of distress or discomfort among the flock. With a keen eye and a gentle touch, they tend to the needs of the chickens, ensuring that they have access to clean water, fresh bedding, and ample space to roam and explore. No detail is too small to escape their attention as they work tirelessly to maintain the highest standards of care. Nutrition plays a crucial role in the chickens' development, and they are fed a diet rich in organic matter to support their growth. From specially formulated feed blends to garden-fresh vegetables and grains, every meal is carefully crafted to provide the essential nutrients needed for healthy development. As a result, the chickens grow evenly and quickly, their feathers glistening with vitality as they mature. Hundreds of thousands of chickens thrive under meticulous care and innovative systems. Among these advancements is an automatic chicken manure collection conveyor system, a testament to modern agricultural efficiency. This system seamlessly collects and manages waste, ensuring a clean and hygienic environment for both the chickens and farm workers. As the chicken flock reaches maturity, another ingenious solution comes into play. A carefully designed conveyor belt facilitates the safe and secure movement of the chickens for harvest. This process minimizes stress on the birds while optimizing efficiency for the farm. The conveyor belt gently transports the mature chicken flock, avoiding unnecessary disturbances and ensuring their well-being until the final stage of their journey. This thoughtful approach not only prioritizes the welfare of the animals, but also maintains the quality of the product. With each cycle of production, the farm continues to refine its methods, leveraging technology and expertise to meet the demands of a modern agricultural landscape. Through innovation and care, they not only raise healthy chickens, but also set a standard for sustainable and responsible farming practices in the industry.
The poultry industry is experiencing a surge in demand for processed chicken products, necessitating advanced processing technologies to keep pace with consumption trends. As the world's appetite for poultry meat grows, the development of efficient processing equipment becomes crucial for sustaining this burgeoning industry. Recent years have witnessed a significant uptick in the importance of processing technologies, highlighting the need for equipment that prioritizes capacity, performance, efficiency, ethics, and ecology. At the forefront of this evolution is our factory, which processes hundreds of thousands of chickens using cutting-edge technology. We recognize that the successful implementation of a processing project directly impacts product quality, requiring a blend of professional expertise, technological innovation, and technical proficiency. With a firm commitment to meeting market demands, our factory stands ready to deliver top-tier poultry processing solutions. Operating in accordance with global standards, we install 500 to 12,000 chicken processing systems per hour, ensuring rapid, cost-effective, and optimized production. Our offerings extend beyond chicken processing alone, encompassing turkey, duck, and goose processing systems to cater to diverse market needs. What sets us apart is our ability to enhance the operational conditions of modern facilities, enabling them to thrive amidst increasingly competitive landscapes. Our specialization lies in designing projects tailored to specific market requirements and production needs while prioritizing energy efficiency and resource optimization. By leveraging strong design and engineering capabilities, we create bespoke solutions that not only meet regulatory standards but also exceed customer expectations. Our commitment to sustainability underscores every aspect of our operations, from the materials we use to the processes we employ. With a keen focus on innovation, we continuously refine our technologies to stay ahead of industry trends and anticipate future demands. Our goal is not just to meet current market needs, but to anticipate and adapt to evolving consumer preferences and regulatory requirements. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement and investing in research and development, we remain at the forefront of the poultry processing industry.
The egg grading machine stands as a testament to the fusion of technology and tradition in modern egg production. Its meticulous processes ensure that each egg undergoes a thorough examination before reaching the supermarket shelves, adhering to stringent quality standards demanded by consumers worldwide. The journey begins with depalletizing, as pallets laden with eggs are carefully unloaded to feed the automated system. From there, the eggs are seamlessly loaded onto the conveyor belt, where they embark on a journey through a series of sophisticated mechanisms. First, a dirt and leak detector scans each egg, swiftly identifying any imperfections that may compromise its quality or integrity. This crucial step ensures that only pristine eggs proceed further, maintaining the highest hygiene standards. Next, the eggs are weighed with precision, guaranteeing uniformity in size and portion control. Any anomalies are swiftly identified and diverted for further inspection, minimizing discrepancies in the final product. A blood detector stands as a sentinel against potential health hazards, swiftly identifying any traces of blood that may indicate contamination or spoilage. This proactive measure ensures that only the freshest eggs make their way into consumers' homes, safeguarding their well-being. The eggs then navigate through packing lanes, where they are meticulously arranged into cartons with remarkable efficiency. Each carton is filled with care, maximizing space utilization while minimizing the risk of breakage or damage during transit. An overhead monitor and control system provide real-time oversight, allowing operators to intervene promptly in case of any irregularities or malfunctions. This proactive approach ensures seamless operations and maintains the machine's peak performance at all times. As the cartons are filled, a case packer swiftly assembles them into larger containers, streamlining the packaging process and preparing them for distribution. End-of-line automation further enhances efficiency, optimizing throughput and reducing labor costs. Finally, the machine undergoes a thorough cleaning cycle, ensuring that it remains sanitary and free from any contaminants that may compromise egg quality. This commitment to hygiene underscores the machine's dedication to delivering safe, high-quality products to consumers worldwide.